It's a cloudy but warm day today. Hopefully the sun will make an appearance later. We're not in England, so it should do. We're off to breakfast and then we're going to the premium outlets for a spot of shopping and we're meeting family at Typhoon Lagoon for a bit of fun, so we'll take you along with us. After a very quick breakfast, we are off to Orlando International Premium Outlets, which is close to Universal and it has a Bath and Body Works. It took about 20 minutes to get to the outlets. Parking here is free. We went to a couple of shops before we headed to my favourite, Bath and Body Works. So we're in Bath and Body Works. It's getting dangerous. Oh, you've been in here 2 minutes. There's some great offers in here today. How much have I spent? Well, we've had enough of shopping. We're off to Typhoon Lagoon. Typhoon Lagoon is free. It didn't take us long to get in, there were no queues at all. We made our way to the dressing rooms to get into our swimwear. As we came out, we noticed clouds were starting to form. Is it going to rain? We found some beds easily and we went into the lagoon to cool off a little bit. We do love the waves in the lagoon pool. We went to my favourite attraction at any water park, the lazy river. And now we're going to be really honest with you. We took lots of footage going down different slides and rides and unfortunately we've lost it all. A week later, Christian's phone got a green screen and for some reason the footage didn't back up to the iCloud. And this is why our footage on Typhoon Lagoon is very short and sweet. Our family got stuck at work, the rain clouds started to come in, so we made a quick exit. We got back to the car just in time before the heavens opened and we decided to make our way to the Lake Buena Vista factory stores. We wandered around the shops, may have bought a few things and we decided to go to Target. We grabbed a drink at Starbucks, wandered around the shop, nearly bought these pill pouches for Ruben. We made our way to Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets. On the drive over there, we spotted Ford's garage. We were both getting hungry, so we decided to grab a bite to eat first. We've heard a lot of good things about Ford's garage. Let's see if it lives up to its name. It's very well themed. The restaurant's really busy, but we managed to grab a seat at the bar and the servers are so friendly. The attention to detail is outstanding. Time to look at the menu. I think we're going to skip starters. If I have starters, I'll never finish my main. It's a really great menu. I'm going to struggle to pick. I know Christian will have a burger. The lunch menu looks really great value. Might have to try it one day. For our drinks, Christian had a Coke and I had a cider. Food's arrived. Christian's had a bison burger and I've had chicken tenders with loaded tater tots. It looks so good. Just leaving Ford's garage now. Really full. The food and the service is outstanding. Really recommend, and we would definitely go back. But for now, we're heading to the outlets again. This outlet has a good range of stores, just missing a Bath & Body Works obviously. We're heading towards the Disney Character Warehouse. You really can grab a bargain at Disney Character Warehouse. At this time of night, this Character Warehouse is quiet. The one we went to earlier was absolutely rammed and we just couldn't film. But let's have a look, see what I can find, see if I can get myself a bargain. Hello, so we're back in the room. We've had another lovely day. We went to the outlets, then made our way to Typhoon Lagoon. I like it there. I love the wave pool. It's probably one of the best ones. It's amazing. Recommend wearing shoes on your feet to go between the slides and the pool as the floor gets very hot. Unfortunately, Christian's brother and his family couldn't make it. They got held up at work, and then obviously it rained. So we went to another outlets, then made our way to Vineland outlets. But first we stopped at Ford's garage for some dinner. Must say, really impressed, really enjoyed it, really full. But yeah, would go back definitely. We went back to the outlets then, had a little look around some shops and went to the Character Warehouse, and I got a bargain. I got a Winnie the Pooh magic band for just under $20, and I love it because I love Winnie the Pooh. I'll show you some of the other bits I got. So these are a few bits I got at Bath & Body Works. So starting off with hand sanitizers, I got 6 of those. I got black cherry merlot, Japanese cherry blossom, kitchen lemon, peach bellini, champagne toast, and another black cherry merlot. Some hand sanitizers, I got 12 of those, but one missing because it's already in my handbag. But I got a range of different scents, and I got the plug-in diffusers, and I got 6 of those. So $64, I think pretty well spent. I also got this Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I think that was about $9, but yeah, it's good. And I got a few bits for my daughter, and I got some trainers as well that I've, I don't know where they are. I think they might still be in the boot of the car. We had quite a few bags. Tomorrow we're going to Hollywood Studios, which I'm really looking forward to. We're going to meet Christian's brother and his family and might try the Tower of Terror for the first time. I don't know. But for now, I'm going to take my tired feet to bed, and we'll see you in the morning. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe, it's free. And if you tap notifications, we can let you know when we next post a new video. You can also follow us on Instagram, Threads, Facebook and TikTok at Lowdown Travel. Thank you for watching.